EvHandy Demo. This video targets event-based vision research labs with Prophesee EVK4 cameras. This is an event camera. We usually connect it to a computer to use it. However, carrying a computer while shooting is not always convenient. So we decided to replace the computer with a smartphone. Open the EvHandy app and tap to start streaming events. We also designed a hot pixel detection feature to help you find the pixels triggering the most events within 1 second. You can select them by setting a threshold and have the hardware mask them out. To make full use of the phone's built-in camera, EvHandy can record RGB video at the same time. We also provide a simple manual alignment feature that gives you a reference viewfinder. Just tap to start recording. Scheduled recording is also supported. You can set when recording starts and how long it lasts. The settings page lets you adjust many parameters, including preview resolution and frame rate, camera bias settings, camera ROI, and more. Open the gallery to view the recorded files. Tap a file to open the playback timeline, which shows the temporal distribution of events. You can drag it left or right. To make data export easier, we provide convenient multi-select and select all options. Before sharing, you can also package all files into a zip archive. If you choose Export All, the RGB video and capture metadata are included as well. Here we are waiting for packaging and compression to finish. Once exported, the files can be transferred by any method your phone supports. With handheld capture, you can collect datasets in more scenes and from more perspectives. When the preview screen and the subject stay in the same direction, you can monitor both at once and aim more effectively. You can fully leverage the flexibility of your arms to shoot at complex pitch angles or follow moving targets, like this mallard gliding through the water. The phone used in this video is an Honor 100 with USB 2.0. It can process 10 million events per second. In our tests, some phones with USB 3.0 can reach throughputs of 100 million events per second. This concludes our demonstration. EvHandy, making event cameras handy.